Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to debug the Spring Boot application using Docker and JDWP, which stands for Java and Debugger Protocol. Let's make your debugging process super smooth and efficient. First, we have a sample Spring Boot project set up with Docker and Maven configurations. This project is configured to run on port 5000, and we've added a Docker file with an important env parameter that includes the JDWP agent, which listens on port 5001. This port will allow us to attach the JDWP listener once the application is up and running. Next, we'll install and configure the Docker plugin in IntelliJ IDEA. This will let us manage and run Docker containers directly from IntelliJ without needing to use the command line. Once that's done, go to the Services tab in IntelliJ, add the Docker service and connect it to your system. Now let's edit the Docker file settings in IntelliJ. Configure the Docker server, set the image name and container name, and bind the necessary ports 5000 for the application and 5001 for the JDWP listener. Once everything is set up, click Run to automatically build the image, create the container, and start the application. After it's running, check the console logs at the top to verify that the JDWP listener is attached to port 5001. If you don't see it, double check your configuration to make sure everything is correct. Once the application is up and running, go ahead and add a remote JVM debug configuration in IntelliJ by clicking on the Edit menu, give your configuration a name, set port 5501, and click Debug to initiate the connection. Right? Hey, the JWP listener will now be successfully connected to your Docker container, which is up and running smoothly. Next, open your controller file and set a debug breakpoint at the starting point of the getStudent method, which handles request to the /API/v1/students API endpoint. Finally, use Postman or any other API tool or even a simple curl command to hit the API. When you do this, you will see that execution pauses at the breakpoint you set earlier. And that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, or comment if this helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.